This video is to talk about the conjugate of complex numbers. The conjugate of complex numbers is where you just change the sign of the imaginary part. So if I'm looking at example 1, I have 4 minus 2i. My imaginary part is the 2i, the negative 2i. So to find the conjugate, I just change that from a negative 2i to a positive 2i. So I get 4 plus 2i. That is a conjugate. Example 2, I have 5 plus 8i. The positive 8i is my imaginary part, so I change it. 5 minus 8i, and there's the conjugate. Example 3, I just have a negative 7i. So we could rewrite that as 0 minus 7i if we wanted to see the real part. Okay, if I wanted to change that, I would change it to 0 plus 7i. Well, 0 plus 7i is just 7i. So there's the conjugate of negative 7i. And then lastly, example 4. I have a negative 14 minus an 8i. Negative 14 minus an 8i. The negative 8i is my conjugate, or my imaginary part. So to conjugate it, I do negative 14 plus 8i. And that is a conjugate. This is only used for division. So when we divide complex numbers. So it's only used when we divide complex numbers. Okay, you do not need this for any other operation with imaginary numbers or complex numbers.